Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to scan for channels on your TOSHIBA 32WA2363DG. To do it, first click on the source button on your remote, then make sure to select whether it's antenna, cable or satellite. I will be using the antenna now. Then click on the menu button on your remote, which is at the bottom, a white button that says menu. Then go all the way to the right to go to settings, then go to channel. Now go to channels and channel scan. Now we'll start scanning for channels. I don't have any antenna plugged in, so it won't find any, but this is how you scan for the channels. And that will be about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.